Hello everyone, just recently got a new query, so let's get started with it. Help with first ever Google Ads campaign. Okay, hello, hi. I'm building my first ever Google Ads campaign. It's not something I have any experience with. Okay, I took an initial course in Google Skillshop, but just wanted to confirm I'm at least in the right direction. Okay, I do also have a course on Udemy, and you can find the details in the description of this video. Okay, my understanding is long term we want ROAS, return on ads spend, maximizing for conversion value, I think. Okay, but we cannot start at that since we do not have enough data. You are very right. In our case, I'm looking to just generate qualified leads to users filling out a contact form versus web sales. So I want to pitch doing the following. Start with clicks. I will create a list of keywords and we'll go for exact match. I will check in on performance and remove adjust depending on the results. Once we hit 30 conversions, now optimize the conversions. Small process, I think. Adjust keywords based on the results. Once we hit 50 conversions, now optimize for conversions. So value, so of the leads generated previously, which one were qualified. Am I on the right part? I read on some thread that step 2 can be skipped if for some reason the CTR has high conversions anyway, but I am certain. Okay, so first of all, if you are trying for the first time, make sure that your conversion tracking is working well, because this is one of the common and popular problem I have seen in the accounts. Every account which I audit, I often feel that they do not they are not working with the conversion tracking. So I think that this is where majority of the marketers professionals lag. So I don't want to say anything, but you know the business owners. So the second thing is yes, we all want ROS. We all are running ads just to make more money, to make more sales, to make more revenue. It's all understood. Now, if you are starting with clicks, maximize clicks is a good strategy to go on. Look around for the ads, add ad assets. For instance, you know what I recommend to the people. I have been recommending to the people many times that try to add ad assets to your ad. Just going to give you an example over here. What if you add ad assets to your ads? The ads are going to look amazing and very authentic, when you have a lot of ad assets, advertiser rating, Sitelinks, price, call, phone number, so many things going on. This increases the authenticity, so work for it. And you said that once we hit 30 conversions, now optimize for conversions. You can go for maximize conversions after 30 conversions. It's perfectly fine. But I do not recommend going on to the third step where you say that once we hit 50 conversions, now optimize for conversion value. I recommend maximize conversion value bidding only for the e-commerce businesses where the value of the each lead or sale is different. But now your only goal is just to get a lead, a form to be filled, so you cannot have monetary value defined over it. So how you will adjust your conversion value? So this is not practically possible, which is why I do not think that you need to optimize for the conversion value, but you can go with the maximized conversions. You are on the right path. You need to get more CTR. Also, as far as the keywords, it's not only about exact or phrase match keywords. I recommend phrase match keywords as well, but it's also about the intent of the keyword. The user intent matches your ad copy and ad copy matches your landing page, and your landing page form should be clear, visible and quickly to be filled. Make sure to follow these strategies and you are good to go with your Google Ads first campaign. However, if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we will love to help you in optimizing and getting more sales with Google Ads. So yeah, I hope you like this video and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.